So what's up guys, this is Angga Rizky and welcome back to my video. So in this video I want to show you about how to make the transition into your vector with the Sketch app, and then we will implement it into dribbble, drawable in the Android Studio. Okay, so we need to create the design it first in the Sketch app, so I will choose the templates and material design and choose, and we need to create new pages here, and also we need to copy the templates from the material design. And I love Sketch app because we just copy the templates and also we can use it for our project. I will give the name is a picker, and you can change this to rockets. Okay, and we can remove this and remove this. Okay, so then I will wait, I have prepared the images here for the black and white and for the color. So basically we have two options for the user to choose the rocket, which one they like. Okay, and I have prepared it, so we can make the we can look this layer. Okay, and create new shape for the background. Okay, and also we can change it to the BG like this. Okay, we can copy the asset. I just want to use this rocket for my project, so I will copy, and then we can resize this. Okay, and make it group and make to center like this. We can see the distance, it's 100 like this, and then we can change it the group to rocket. So you can choose this icon to hide the black and white rocket, because we just need one rocket for the sample. Okay, well, we need to change this background. I think it's blue is good, and you can check. No, no. We can start it from the big black and white. Yeah, and how about, okay, it's good. And then we need the shadow to make the rocket. It's, oops, I select the black and white and shadow. Oh no, we can't to get the shadow because it's not like transparent. You can see, so we can't to make the shadow. Sorry, it's mistake. I click the border. So you can add the shadow here, and setting the Y position is 0 and the opacity is 30 like this. But I think the shadow is not good. We can copy style and paste. Where is paste? Okay, and you can see the shadow. like this. Okay, so we can remove these red lines, and you can choose the F bar to change the color, which one you like, blue or like this. How about this? No? I will choose this. Okay, and also this one we can change to 34495E and to be dark like this, like this. And then we need the button here to change the rocket to black and white or to the original. So we need the button. I will make it with the rounded. Okay, and make the width is 150 and the height is 50, and remove the border and setting the radius to 5, and then you can see the distance is 15 and the top is 15, and we can change it to the BG, and then we need to create the label for the button. It's called black white. Okay, and we can make it to center and vertical line is middle, and we can change this color to black and get the shadow like this, and we can copy for original color, original, and also we can change it to the mm, no, yes, I think red is good, and we need to move to the top like this. We can see the distance is 40, and move again, it's 25 and the distance is 25. So we have the rocket, and I want to make it to transition with the animation in Android Studio. So we can select this button. This is a BG. No, this button original, and this is a button BW. BW is black and white, and then we need to this color. So we can choose this layer because we need this one, and exportable and 2x, you can see is 2x, and export layer, and go to assets, new folder, and Android app, and we can export it, and we can check it. We have the BTN, BW, original, rocket black and white, and rocket color. This is original. For the original is color. Okay, so we can start to create new Android Studio project, and get the name is a picker. Next, and I'm using the API 25, and next, and I'm using the empty activity, and next, and finish. So you can waiting for the Gradle build. Okay, so before we get started, we need to change the appearance for the project. Okay, we need to remove this hello world. Just remove. Currently, I'm using the constraint layer. Okay, so we need to change this action bar and this secondary action bar. So you can go to res and value and color, and you can see here we can change it to 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 8, and for the second we can copy this code is 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4. Okay, well, we copy this and we can see the result like this. Okay, and also we need to change the background color, so you can choose this BG and the code is EFFAFF. We can copy to the background. Here is background. Okay, it's good. So we can run this application first. Just make sure for the design. Okay, at least more or less the app like this, and then we just need to design the button here and the rocket. So we can start from the button. I will use the widget and button and stay here, and we can copy the asset first. We can select copy and go to drawable and paste here and OK, and you can see we have the btn bv and btn original. Okay, so we just need to go to text and you can preview here. We can setting the background is drawable btn bv, and you can design the height is 50 and the width is 150. Okay, and also we can change the color is white and change it to black white. Okay, so we can change the ID to btn bw. Okay, we is from Indonesia, so sorry, I'm forgot. Yeah, just copy. You can copy this, copy and paste and move to the right like this, and go back to text, and you can change to btn original for the color, and this is original also. No, sorry, mistake. Just back it, and you can see this is for the black and white, so you can change it to original, and this is original like this, and this is for BW btn bw, and this one for the original. Okay, and then we can see the distance every single the button from their right, and this is left is 25, so we can do it, just do it. and go back to design, select the black and white and setting it for the, oh wait, 25. Okay, and this original to 25, but you can see the distance is, oh yes, I know how to do that. We can setting the bottom, and the bottom is 40, and the bottom is 40. Okay, it's cool. So we go to images and image view, and you can see here, currently we don't need the image, so we can choose the color for the action. Oh, come on, kidding me? Yes, color the action. Okay, and you can see the size is 200 and the height is 200, and we can go to Android Studio, and you can see the ID here. We can rocket press where the rocket press, and the width is 200 dp and the content is 200 dp, and then we can move it to the center like this. Okay, what, okay. I think it's good. I'm sorry I got sick today. So after that, we can click here. You can see the invert constraint. You can choose this, all of them, and click here. Boom. And we can run the application into Android emulator. Okay, just waiting for the application, and we got the result like this. So you can see this is a black and white, and this is for the original, but I think it's not good because the distance it's too much. So just let it go and make sure the transition is working properly. So we can start, and we can go to app here. You can see app and layout, sorry, and drawable, and you can create new file into drawable, and you can give the name is rocket bw, and okay, and you can change this, sorry, we have the rocket bw here, and don't make the name is same, so we can rename, refactor and rename rocket bw any for the animation. Okay, and you can see the selector here. You can change to transition and item Android drawable, and drawable, this is from the any to the, and we can copy. This is for original, sorry, for the color. So the from the color into black white, it's called black white animation, and we can copy and go to drawable and paste. It's a rocket color any from the bw, no, from the bw to the color like this. Okay, we have the two XML here, and then we can go to text, and we can see image view, and we can remove this. And above the ID we need to source. The source is for the default is rocket bw and sorry, rocket color any. Okay, this is for the beginning, for the default. And we can go to main activity, and first we need to declare the new variable here. Button, it's button bw, and button, what is this, original, and image view for the rocket place. This is a rocket place ID. Okay, and just click here and click the all option for import the class btn bw button, and find rid btn bw. And also we can copy this for the btn original, and this is original. And the last is image view, rocket place, image view, and find rid and image sorry, rocket place, it is. And after that we need to create the function for the button. So you can btn bw set on click listener and new like this. And you can see when I click the black and white, the background is changed to another XML. You can see we have the two XML here. So we just need to setting the source code like right here. So I have prepared the source code. You can copy. Okay, so we can change it to rocket place because the ID is rocket place, and this is uh, for the XML for the XML. And also you can see this is btn bw, so we can start it from rocket bw any bw any, and we can copy to change this. So we can start it for the preview. And when I click this one, it's moved to the bw. You can see its transition. You can setting the delay here. I'm setting up to 100, so we can see how fast the transition move. So fast. Okay, so basically I'm using the 1000. Okay, we can copy for the color original, and this is for the color any, and we can stop and play again. Okay, and see the emulator is original and it's black and white. You can see how transition moves is good. Okay, so thank you for watching this video tutorial, and I'm sorry I'm always call of you and I got sick like this. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and also nice to meet you from Indonesia, Angga Rizky. Goodbye.